Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson we'll be drawing little Petey from DogMan. Now, I'm going to be drawing with the Sharpie fine point marker, but you're welcome to follow along with a pencil. Now you start in the center of our page with the eyes, so start right in the middle with an oval. From the very top, we're going to stretch this down, then all the way back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap on the right side and draw that same size oval. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now along the bottom, in between the eyes, we're going to step down and draw a small oval going sideways for the nose. Let's move down and draw a curve for the mouth, coming down and then up. And then from the center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down towards the mouth. Now we want to draw the outside perimeter of the head. So from the bottom of the right eye, let's step out to right about here, start with a point. Now I want to draw a large circle going out, go up toward the top of the head. Just going to circle around towards the bottom and then pull that in towards the center of our page. Now I want to bump out the cheek. So we're going to go out and up, round out the cheek, and then bend that back in. Let's go up above the eyes towards the top of the head and add two curves for the eyebrows, aiming them in. And then over on the bottom left side, we're going to add three small dots. Let's go to the side of the head and add three short angled lines for the whiskers. Let's add 2 points across the top of the head for the ears. We're going to start on the left side, go up and out, and then come straight down. Let's go all the way over towards the right side and do the same thing, going out, and then come straight down. Now we're going to come all the way down towards the bottom and draw on the body. So we're going to start on the left side of the head. Let's draw an oval, going around towards the bottom, up on the right side, just tuck that in. And then we're going to add three stripes going across the body. We're going to start with the center one on the left side, bend this down and then up. And then halfway along this area, let's add another curve. And then do the same thing across the bottom half. Let's go to the center of the body, draw a straight line coming down to separate the feet. Curve the foot, coming down and up toward the left, and then the right side. Now let's go back to the left side. We curve the foot, coming in towards the ankle, and then go straight up underneath the body. Now let's go back to this point in the ankle, curve this down and up towards the inside of the legs. Now with the body and legs in place, let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the top of the body on the left, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And we want to curve the hand going around and just pull that in towards the side of the body. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side, going in the opposite direction. And then we're going to add three stripes across the arm, starting from the top, bend this down and in, just up above the wrist, and then across the hand. We're going to bring the tail coming out from the left side. Let's start from the bottom of the hand, start by coming down, go up, and then down towards the end. Let's round out the end of the tail. And then we want to taper this in towards the body so the tail gets narrower as you come up. Now we're going to add some stripes across the tail, starting from the end with a curve. And then we're just going to work our way back in towards the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw little Petey from DogMan. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.